Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to cancel Canva Pro subscription. Step 1. Go to any web browser and then type Canva. Click Canva and then tap the very first link that you can see here. Now log in if you have an account or sign up if you don't have an account yet. So this is Canva, and if you want to try Pro for 30 days, you just have to click this one. Click Start by Free Trial. Tap the next button. So as you can see here, try Canva Pro for free. Free 30-day trial, cancel anytime. And the payment method could be GCash, credit card or debit card, or PayPal. So today, you will not pay anything, but on this specific date, you need to pay this amount. Click PayPal if you want to connect your PayPal and then get your free trial. And then once it's connected, then you can now try Canva Pro. In order to cancel, go to Settings, scroll down, go to Billing and Plans. Here you will see if you are already connected or if you are already using the Canva Pro. In order for you to cancel it, you will just have to tap this three dots and you will see the option Cancel Trial. What you're going to do is you have to tap that one. After that, you need to confirm cancellation. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation of your Canva Pro subscription. You will be downgraded to the free Canva plan after the current billing cycle ends. And that's how to cancel Canva Pro subscription. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.